Come on. Come on. Oh. Ah. That?
Yeah. Ta-da! And how do you feel?
Long way to go. So I'm putting a lot of pressure on this side. I need to get more on that side.
Ta-da! Right there. Just sticks out a little bit.
So how can you know that?
Because there's a line here that you notice the top.
Favorite part so far? Ta-da.
Put it your hair. Grab on that one. Ta-da! Now we got a mortise.
Okay, hang on. Okay, I can get it that way.
One. Are you happy?
Like that. I'm not doing anything. Hang on. Okay.
some nice looking legs, babe. So if you put the knife in it and then slide it up against it.
I was trying. Make it look so easy. Here?
Back towards you just a little bit.
That?
Half the distance.
Oh, jeez. That?
Yep.
Cool. This way?
Yep.
Ha-ha! Hey! Yes. Ha!
Yay! Check out my wife's legs. So there you have it. This has been a lot of fun. Now, if you want to see details on what all we're doing and what we're thinking and the actual step-by-step, we have an entire second channel where we go into the details and talk through the whole thing and actually teach. The other channel is for teaching. This channel is more for the fun and people who just want to sit back and watch on YouTube. So yeah, did you have fun on this one?
I did have fun on this one.
You like the tusked tenons better than the flattening?
Didn't have winding sticks.
She hates winding sticks. Chisels are good, but yeah.
Sharp optics.
Yeah, if you want to go back and watch the first video on this, we probably have another 2 videos where we got to make the stretchers that go between the legs, and then also the final details and finishing. So there's still a good bit more to do, but hopefully we'll get that done sometime here soon. So I hope you liked this video. If you do have any questions, comments, ideas, thoughts, let me know. Also, I do read through all of the comments down below, and I answer as many as we possibly can. And Sarah will be reading through them too. So if you want to say something to her, jump on.
Be nice.
So if you are a member on Patreon, you're scrolling over here on the side, I want to say a huge thank you to also anyone who has clicked the join button and become a member here on YouTube. Really, without you guys helping support this channel and making it happen, things like this would not occur. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more, there's links to Patreon down below, as well as you can click the join button and become a member. So until next time, have a wonderful day.
Bye.
So you've heard of Legs Day. This is more like Legs Month.
Year.